Best thing about fostering is seeing our foster child grow and change and be a very happy and joyful child.
We've never regarded ourselves as a fostering family. We're just a family and we all look after each other. I'm Elise Lazelle, I'm one of the team managers of the fostering recruitment team. The great thing about Fostering for Essex is the range of schemes that you can foster children with a disability in. So you can start from fostering part-time, respite care, right through until full-time fostering. We offer very competitive fees for anybody that's caring for a child with a disability, alongside local training and support, so that meets the needs of both the child and the fostering family.
Support that you can receive with Essex County Council once you become a foster carer with us is support from your supervising social worker. There are support groups that are held, which obviously gives you access to other carers. There's plenty of training on offer, which is face-to-face and online, a wide variety. You'll be given all the correct and the relevant information and trainings to care for a child with a disability.
The support with Essex is brilliant, really good.
If you could offer just one weekend a month, you could consider our respite scheme and care for a child with a disability. It doesn't sound a lot, but the difference that makes to a family is immense. We offer a competitive hourly fee and an overnight rate for anybody that can offer that weekend respite. For those of you with professional experience of working with children with disabilities, you may want to consider what's called our fee paid short break scheme. And that's where you provide respite to children either 3 nights or 5 nights a week. Within this scheme, you will care for those children with more complex needs. However, we do take time to plan introductions and match them carefully with you.
All carers are entitled to respite. It's there to support you in caring for a child with disabilities. We're obviously very much aware that it's not easy to care for a child with a disability and you will need additional breaks.
With Essex, they are very passionate about the carers having respite and spending time with their families.
It's really good to see the relationships that the foster carers build with the children that they care for when they start to trust them and take those little leaps of faith to maybe try things that they've not done in the past or try something new, and just the sheer joy that brings that fostering family, really.
Inviting someone else into your house, the concept of it can be quite scary, but the reality of it, it's more rewarding than you would even expect. He's there, he's like a sibling. We treat him like a sibling. He calls me his brother and he's nice. I love him.
I enjoy what I do. I love supporting the carers and I love seeing the achievements that carers make and the difference they make to these children.
All children need love, and a child with disabilities is no different. We're his family and that's how we treat each other. You are given support to look after and training to care for these children, so there is no reason why not to go for it.
It's simple, you're just letting someone in your home, helping look after them, and you're changing their life so much.